In my last video, I shared how you could set up your own channel from scratch, and this was the channel I was able to set up in the previous video. This channel is all about tales, stories, African stories, but that's not what we are going to be doing today. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how you can optimize your YouTube for search discovery, because now you have your channel and you want to start pushing out content, and you want this content to get to the right audience. For you to achieve this, you must optimize your channel and your content. If you want to know how to optimize your channel, check the previous video I posted, because I was able to optimize that channel for discovery using ChatGPT. But focusing on this video, I'm going to be focusing on optimizing your content. Okay, so to do that, there are basically some things you're going to be doing, and the first thing you're going to be doing is to follow successful YouTubers in your niche. Now, to do that, since my channel is all about African folk tales, all I did was to go to YouTube and I searched for African folk tales channels, right? And I was presented with a bunch of channels just like this one. So I selected the ones that I thought fit the kind of content I would like to create, because I loved the kind of results they were getting, right? So these were the channels I followed. As you can see, I've been able to follow about 4 channels for the purpose of this tutorial. So this one is Native African Tales, the next one is Army Folk Tales, and the other one is African Echoes by Amaka. So these are the channels I was able to follow. The reason why you want to follow these channels is basically you want to hit the ground running. So once you follow this channel, the next thing you want to do is step 2, which is to create a hit list from their best videos, right? Create a hit list. Now, a hit list is like a list of content that you can schedule to be posting from time to time, right? And to do that is very simple. Go to the channel, go to one of the channels that you're following, click on the button that says videos, or the tab that says, then you're going to be seeing latest, popular, and oldest. Click on the one that says popular, then you're going to see a bunch of videos. As you can see, 1.1 million, 1.1 million, 700k, 500k, and so on and so forth. So you want to create a hit list. You can pick the best 5 from this person, then move on to the next content creator you're following, pick the second 5, pick the third 5. So your first 15 videos will be based on already existing content. Now, once you've done that, it leads to the next step, which is to spot content vacuum from the comment section. Now, this only applies to problem solving videos, but this particular video is an entertainment video. But if it is a problem solving video, what I mean by spotting content vacuum is you click on the video, then you head over to the section of that video, then you look for questions that are still being asked even after watching the video. Then what you're going to be doing is that when you're creating your own version of that video, you're going to be incorporating the answers to those questions that you saw in the comment section into your video, so that way the people that are still hungry for answers while they are still searching, they'll end up watching your video, which will be much more better than the one they watched earlier, and that's going to give them the prompt to subscribe to your channel, and that's going to make you grow really fast, right? So if that makes sense, I want to hear in the comment section. Just comment it made sense. Okay, so now after you must have gotten that, the next thing you want to do is to create a better content, like I said, and I've given you the idea of how to create the better content, right? So after you must have created your content, you need to copy your competitor tags and title, right? Now remember, I said you should make a hit list of the videos from the people you're following. So let's say, for example, this particular channel, I want to use this first 5 video to create my own video. I'm going to show you using just one video how you're going to go about it. So the first you want to do is click on the video. So once you open up the video, you can notice by the right hand side of my video, you see that I have the thumbnail of this video showing, I have the video tags showing, and I also have the channel tags. Although there is nothing to be shown here, but you can also copy the channel tags if you want, but I don't want to copy that because I'm only optimizing the videos, right? So we have the thumbnail, the tags, and we also have the title. These three things, you're going to copy it and go to ChatGPT and prompt ChatGPT to generate yours based on this. So I'm going to go to ChatGPT now and prompt ChatGPT on what to do. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is my prompt. So I said I want to create a similar folktale video to my competitor's video because it is getting consistent views. I will share the title, tags, and description of the video, and you will generate unique but similar title, tags, and description for my own video. Do you understand? So I'm going to hit enter, and ChatGPT is going to respond. So basically, I'm going to head back to that video and copy the title, tags, and description of that particular video, right? So I'm going to go to this one right here, right? I'm going to copy the title just exactly as it is, Ctrl C, and I'm going to open my notepad. Then I'm going to paste the title, then I'm going to go for the tags, then I'm going to go for the description. Okay, so I've copied the title. Next I'm going for the tags. So this tool I use to get the video thumbnail, the tags, is called YouTube features. So if you go to Google and you search for YouTube features Chrome plugin, you're gonna get this. I'm also gonna leave the link in the description of this video, right? So once you copy the tags of the next thing you want to do is paste the tags in your notepad. So I'm going to paste the tags as well. As you can see, I've pasted the tag. Then the description, all you have to do is copy your competitor's description. Okay, as you can see, it's a very short description, so I'm going to copy the description as well. Then I'm going to go to my notepad and paste as well. Okay, so I'm going to paste the description. So once you've done this, the next thing you want to do is paste the title, tags, and description that I just added to your notepad. So I'm going to copy everything in this notepad. I'm going to go to ChatGPT, then I'm going to paste it for ChatGPT to generate. So as you can see, ChatGPT said, yes, I understand. Please share the title, tags, and description of your competitor's video, and I will generate unique but similar content for your own folktale video. Okay, so I'm going to paste this, then I'm going to hit enter. Wow, so this is awesome, guys. So the original one was he pounded his only daughter alive, hashtag African tales, hashtag African folklore, hashtag folks. Then ChatGPT generated mine. He trapped his beloved son in a giant calabash, African tales, African folklore, folks, right? So he generated the tags for me as well. Then the description, he paid the ultimate price for his greed. The African tale centers on Kofi, a dedicated fisherman in a remote village whose life changes forever after he makes a fateful decision. Explore the bonds of family, the perils of avarice, and the true essence of fortune through this captivating narrative. Okay, as you can see, even the plot for the story has been given to me by ChatGPT. So this is what you want to do. So as you can see now, I now have an optimized content. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is prompt ChatGPT to generate a thumbnail prompt for a thumbnail. Okay, so I'm going to write the prompt now. Yeah, so I said, give me the prompt to get a very captivating thumbnail from an AI image generator for this YouTube video. Okay, so I'm going to hit enter. So as you can see, it's going to generate the prompt for me. Okay, so as you can see, AI has generated the prompt for me. So all I have to do is feed this to an image generation AI to help me generate the image, and it's going to generate a very compelling and visually appealing thumbnail for my video. But I'm not going to be doing that in this video because this video is already at 9 to 10 minutes, and I don't want it to exceed 10 minutes. That leads us to the final step, which we have just done, which is to ask ChatGPT to generate your own tags, title, description, optimized for search discovery, which we've just done. As you can see, we now have our tags, title, and description. So that's basically it for this video, guys. If this video has been helpful, do well to subscribe to my channel, as I'm going to be posting in my next video how you can generate a complete story from these 3 things that we just generated today, and I'm going to be publishing that in my next video. If that is something you want to see, do well to subscribe and stick around. Have a nice day, and I love you guys. Bye.